Welcome to this lesson on the English indefinite article a. In this video, we will learn when and how to use the article a before consonant sounds. This is an essential grammar rule for beginners who are learning English from scratch. The basic rule is simple. Use the article a before words that start with consonant sounds. Consonant sounds include letters like B, C, D, F, G, H, P, S, T, V, and many others. When you hear a consonant sound at the beginning of a word, you use a. For example, we say a book, a cat, and a dog. All these words start with consonant sounds. Here are some common examples of using a with consonant sounds. B, C, D sounds, a book, a cat, a dog. P, S, T sounds, a pen, a star, a table. G, H sounds, a game, a house, a hat. M, N, L sounds, a man, a newspaper, a lion. In all these examples, the first sound you hear is a consonant, so we use a. Here is a very important point. The rule is about sound, not about the spelling or the letter. We need to listen to the sound the word makes, not just look at how it is written. Some words start with consonant letters but make vowel sounds. Some words start with vowel letters but make consonant sounds. When choosing between a and an, always listen to the sound, not the spelling. Let us compare when to use a and when to use an. Use a before words that start with consonant sounds. Examples are a book, a dog, a game, a person. Use an before words that start with vowel sounds. Examples are an apple, an egg, an ice cream, an orange. Remember, we choose between a and an based on the sound we hear, not the spelling. Now let us practice identifying consonant and vowel sounds. Exercise 1, a banana. The letter B makes a consonant sound, so we use a cat. The letter C makes a consonant sound, so we use a dog. The letter D makes a consonant sound, so we use a. Exercise 2, an apple. The letter A makes a vowel sound, so we use an. An egg. The letter E makes a vowel sound, so we use an. An orange. The letter O makes a vowel sound, so we use an. Now we will learn about exceptions to the basic rule. First exception, silent H words. Some words have a silent H, meaning we do not pronounce the H sound. In these words, we use an, not a. Examples are an hour, an honest person, an honor. In these words, the H is silent, so the word starts with a vowel sound. Second exception, you sound like you. Some words start with the letter U, but the U sounds like the word you, which is a consonant sound. In these words, we use a, not an. Examples are a unicorn, a university, a union. In all these words, the U makes a U sound, so we use a. Let us summarize the key points about using the article a first. Use a before consonant sounds, not before consonant letters. Second, listen to the first sound, not the spelling. Third, remember the exceptions. Silent H words use an, and U sounds like you use a. Fourth, practice with pronunciation to get it right. These 4 points are very important for using a correctly in English. Now let us do a final practice exercise. Fill in a or an in each sentence. Question 1, blank book. The B makes a consonant sound, so the answer is a book. Question 2, blank apple. The A makes a vowel sound, so the answer is an apple. Question 3, blank dog. The D makes a consonant sound, so the answer is a dog. Question 4, blank orange. The O makes a vowel sound, so the answer is an orange. Question 5, blank house. The H is pronounced, so the H makes a consonant sound, and the answer is a house. Good job if you got all of these correct.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.